All right, guys, this might be the most charming house I've toured in Land Park, and the upgrades they did inside are absolutely phenomenal. Let's go take a look. Hey, you guys, Joubert Caston here, local real estate advisor in the area, but most importantly, a very proud girl dad. Today, we are inside 2772 18th Street here in Land Park in Sacramento. I'm gonna take you guys through a live tour. Let's go. You guys, everything about this house, it's just all about character. This house has so much like fluid personality in it that it's just absolutely perfect to me. I love how the character with the arches, right? It gives it that like classic older vibe to this place, but with so many like modern features. So you walk through the kitchen here. This is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. You walk through the kitchen and you get into this living room space that comes offset the back door area, but right through the kitchen. And from this living room space, you go directly out to the backyard area. But we're gonna, for the tour process, we're gonna continue walking through this house. So here is the 1 bathroom. You know, very cute, petite, but well done. Has that bathtub feature, which I really love. You come through, this is going to be the other bedroom downstairs. Great size, but this house has got like that older Victorian look to it, and it just has so much charm and personality to it. I mean, let's go back and show you guys this living room. Let me show you this living room, what they did here. All right, look at the character. One feature I really admire about it is I love large windows that look out to this awesome landscaping like that. Like, just check it out. Imagine just coming here and like reading your favorite book. This is what this house really makes me want to do. It makes me want to come here and cook. Look at the kitchen. Makes me want to come here and cook. Sit with the breakfast nook and read a book. That's what it makes me want to do. It makes me want to read a darn book. We're going to go upstairs. Check this out. It's like an upstairs loft area, but this is where the master lives. You come up here and it's just a super awesome little master suite. You know, one con about it is the fact that it doesn't have a door to close it off to give you that privacy in the event that you have people over, guests or whatnot. And also there's no bathroom up here, but you do have good closet space for this older style home. This area leads into this crawl space, which I'm not gonna go into, not right now. But yeah, check it out. You get this nice little master suite up here. Come around, some great room. But look how cute this is. Nice little view of this pleasant neighborhood out here. It's a beautiful day. I mean, I couldn't be torn at any better day, guys. It's just awesome out here in Sacramento. Now, this is the Land Park area of Sac. The neighborhood is very established. It's right next to Sacramento Zoo, Fairy Tale Land. But, I mean, for $850K, you get a house that's just so darn charming. Now, let's go take a look at the outside. Check this out. detached garage. But look at your outside area. I mean, super serene, absolutely tranquil. And I mean, for somebody like me, I'm throwing a hot tub here for sure. I mean, you have some good deck space here to put your patio furniture. But for me, I'm definitely 100% putting a hot tub here. So you got good space in this backyard area, nice detached garage. And yeah, I mean, all this for $850K in the heart of Land Park. You've got easy access to downtown Sac, and just to have a house that has that older charm to it, but have modern features and modern touches. And that kitchen, let's go take a look at the kitchen again. I mean, come on. Come on. Get out of here. You stop it. So much darn charm. You guys, if you like what you see and you're looking in the greater Sacramento area, you're looking to buy or sell, I am the guy to tell. I am Joubert Caston, local real estate advisor in the area. Use my contacts in the description below. Book a free, no obligation strategy call with me. Let's go through and set you up with a plan to make your next move, your best move, especially here in the greater Sacramento area. So enough of me talking. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Have a blessed day. Take care.